Hi, I'm Eric from Stinger. We've upgraded this Gladiator by adding our HEIGH10 integration kit, which retains the factory backup camera in high definition so it looks awesome. But our HEIGH10 has additional camera inputs. In order to use the front and blind spot cameras, you have to enter the setting menu and enable the camera inputs. This tech tip will walk you through how to enable your front and blind spot camera inputs on your Gladiator JT or Jeep Wrangler JL.
Right out of the box, if we touch the camera icon, we'll see that the Jeep factory reverse camera is retained in high definition, which is also going to show automatically if we shift the Jeep into reverse. To enable additional camera inputs, from the home screen, touch the Settings icon. Then System Settings. Then where it says Installer Settings, touch Enter. Now type 0052, then OK. Now we see Advanced Vehicle Settings and Camera Settings. This is where we can turn on additional camera inputs. So to add a front camera, we're going to select Camera 4, then select None again. You can choose Front, Rear, Left or Right Blind Spot, Trailer, Inside, Outside, Aux, Bed, or Baby. If you don't want to configure this input, you can select None. When enabling a front camera, there are several customizable options. First is max duration. Depending on the selection you make here, the front camera will display for the specified amount of time, either 5, 10, or 15 seconds. Adjusting the max speed threshold will control the speed at which the front camera will be turned off. Depending on the selection you make here, the front camera will display until you hit a speed of 5, 10, or 15 miles per hour. The third setting is parking steering angle. This can be set to either 30, 60, or 90 degrees. This current configuration will keep the front camera on for 15 seconds, or until we hit 15 miles per hour, or until we turn the steering wheel 90 degrees. So this will basically give us max front camera display. If you're looking to add blind spot cameras to your setup, activate camera inputs 2 and 3. We'll set camera 2 and make it our left blind spot camera. Blind spot camera inputs have one setting. That's low speed override. The default setting is on. When traveling at less than 3 miles per hour, the blind spot cameras will not display. If we turn this option off, the blind spot cameras will display at any speed. We can now select camera 3 and set it as our right blind spot. So now we have the factory reverse camera, camera 2 as our left blind spot, camera 3 as our right blind spot, and camera 4 as our front camera. So if we go back to the home screen and we select Cameras, we'll now see all the camera tabs at the bottom of the screen. Just touch the input to view the camera at any time. We have the OEM reverse camera in high definition, the front camera that we mounted by the winch, our left blind spot, and right blind spot. Well, that completes how to set up your camera inputs on your Stinger HEIGH10 in your Jeep Gladiator JT and Jeep Wrangler JL. We hope you found this tech tip helpful. Be sure to like the video and also leave us a comment and let us know what other tech tips you'd like to see.